Imagine unlocking your phone and seeing no app icons at all. You do not tap on anything. You just speak what you want, and the phone does it. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie. This is the future that Elon Musk and AI experts are predicting right now. By the year 2030 or 2031, the apps you swipe every day could completely disappear from your screen. In this video, we will explain what an AI operating system really is. We will show you how it works and why it might kill the App Store forever. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, share this with a friend who spends too much time scrolling through apps. Now let us explore the world of smartphones without apps. 10. What is an AI operating system? And why does it matter? An AI operating system is not like Windows or Android that you know today. It is a completely new way for a computer to think and act. The system puts artificial intelligence at the very center of everything. Traditional operating systems manage files and processes and memory. And iOS manages something different called agents and intentions. You do not tell the machine which app to open. You tell the machine what you want to achieve. The AI then figures out the steps by itself. This idea first came from Stanford University back in the 1960s. They imagined robots that could think and act like humans. Today, that old dream is finally becoming real for your pocket. The system includes special parts for voice recognition and machine vision. 9. Why Elon Musk says traditional phones will die in 5 years. Elon Musk made a bold prediction in a recent podcast episode. He said that the traditional smartphone will disappear in 5 to 6 years. He is not talking about the hardware going away completely. He means the way we use phones will become unrecognizable. Musk explained that most content we consume will be generated by AI in real time. You will not need to download a weather app or a maps app anymore. You will just ask, and the AI will build the interface instantly. The phone itself becomes just a screen and a microphone and a speaker. All the intelligence lives in the cloud and on a powerful local chip. Musk also believes that physical labor will last longer than digital work. 8. The 3 ways. AI is already killing your apps. You might not see it yet, but the app apocalypse has already begun. There are 3 powerful forces reshaping your phone right now. The first force is OpenClaw, which is an open-source AI project on GitHub. OpenClaw acts like a control center above all your apps. It coordinates multiple AI agents to work together in the background. You send one message and it orchestrates everything without you clicking anything. The second force is visual AI that uses computer vision to see your screen. Companies like ByteDance have built technology that watches what you do. 7. How Google Gemini is replacing the old Google Assistant. Google announced a massive change that will finish in 2026. The old Google Assistant that you have used for years is being retired. Gemini is taking over as the default AI on all Android phones. This is not just a name change or a new coat of paint. Gemini is built on generative AI that can actually reason and understand context. The old Assistant was good for setting timers and checking the weather. Gemini can hold free-flowing conversations and answer complex questions. It can pull information from across your apps to give smarter help. 6. What Apple is doing with Siri and the Campos project. Apple has been quietly working on its own AI revolution behind the scenes. The company is finally ready to transform Siri into a real AI chatbot. The project is codenamed Campos and it will launch later in 2026. Campos will be deeply integrated into iPhone, iPad, and Mac operating systems. You will still activate it by saying Siri or pressing the side button, but the experience will be completely different from what you know today. Siri currently lacks the conversational ability of ChatGPT or Gemini. 5. The difference between cloud AI and local AI on your device. When we talk about AI operating systems, there is a big debate about where the brain lives. Some experts believe the AI should live entirely in the cloud. Cloud AI gives you access to the biggest and smartest models available. It also means your phone can be cheaper with less powerful hardware. But cloud AI has a serious privacy problem. Your voice recordings and photos and messages have to leave your device. They travel to servers somewhere far away for processing. Other experts believe the AI should live entirely on your phone. For why 80% of apps might become unemployed very soon. A bold prediction from OpenClaw founder Peter Steinberger says apps are in danger. He believes that 80% of apps will naturally die out in the coming years. The reason is simple. People will stop actively opening them anymore. Instead of tapping an icon, you will just express your intention to the phone. The phone then calls the app in the background without you ever seeing it. The app becomes a digital pipeline instead of a destination. 3. What a true AI operating system looks like under the hood. A real AI operating system is being built right now by companies like Kui Labs. Their project called EOS is designed from the ground up for an agent-first world. In this system, the native processors are AI agents, not traditional applications. You do not have file managers and processors and drivers like before. Instead, the system exposes things like agent identity and memory graphs. There are context buses that let different agents share information instantly. 2. The problems that AI operating systems still need to solve. As exciting as this future sounds, there are serious challenges ahead. The first problem is speed and latency when AI does complex tasks. Right now, cross-app operations can take about 3 seconds to complete. That might not sound terrible, but it feels slow when you are used to instant. The success rate for these complex tasks is also only about 50%. Half the time, the AI fails to do what you asked it to do. That is not good enough for people to trust it with important work. The second problem is the hardware inside. Our phones is still limited. 1. When will you actually use a smartphone without any apps? The timeline for this future is closer than most people realize. Elon Musk predicts that in 5 to 6 years the change will be complete. That means by the year 2031 or 2032, your phone might look very different. But you will not wake up one morning and find all your apps gone. The transition will happen slowly and quietly, without you noticing much. First, your assistant will get smarter and start suggesting things proactively. So, that is the world of smartphones without apps and the rise of AI operating systems. We are moving from tapping icons to speaking intentions and letting AI handle the rest. The apps you know today might soon become invisible workers in the background. This change will take a few years, but it is coming faster than you think. If you enjoyed this look into the future, please like this video right now. Also, subscribe to the channel so you do not miss what comes next. Share this video with someone who is tired of updating all their apps. And leave a comment telling us which app you would miss the least if it disappeared. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.